Hi everybody. Yes, we're going to elevate the humble potato today. Yes, we're going to be using the Ninja SPEEDI right there. We're going to steam crisp some russet potatoes. So let's just jump right in and get started. The recipe list is short. You can make the recipe that's in the book, but I'm not going to today. We're going to take 2 russet potatoes. You can probably do 1. This is probably going to make a lot, but we're just going to be using some Old Bay seasoning, some avocado oil, and you're going to need a half a cup of water in order to steam. I'm going to show you how to wedge potatoes. Raise it up on its side like this. Make sure you have a firm grasp of it. Sharp knife. And you're going to cut it just like that. Go ahead and place it down like that. Going to cut it in half again. Now what you can do, you can actually cut it here, or you can pick it up. Just be careful. You're going to place your knife right there, and you're going to create like a wedge. And there's your wedge right there. And that's it, just like that. These are huge, huge potatoes here. You try to get as close to that top piece as you can. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Okay, I think, you know something? We're going to do 1. Just take a bowl. Put those potatoes right in the bowl. I'm just going to take a little bit of, like 2 sprays of avocado oil. And we're going to take Old Bay. I'm just going to sprinkle this right in there. You can take your hands, you can put a rubber glove on. Just put as much as you want, and I like a lot. A couple more sprays of oil. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. So you're going to make sure your bowl is in the tray. I'm going to make sure the tray is on the bottom. And you're going to go ahead and place those potatoes right in there. What I would do is just use your fingers or tongs to keep it cleaner. Just separate them out a bit. Alright. Oh, you know what I almost forgot? Go ahead and add that half a cup of water. And once again, wash your hands. So, you're going to turn your Ninja SPEEDI on. Now, you want to make sure it's in the rapid cooker. Make sure this is flipped up. And we're going to choose steam crisp. And the temperature is going to be set to 450. That's as high as it goes. The time is going to be 25 minutes. And we're going to hit start. The book did go on to say that when you have about 15 minutes left on the cook time, go ahead and toss the potatoes. But I'm not sure if, I'm still going to do it, but if you had the couple, like the 2 russet potatoes in there, you definitely want to go ahead and do that. So we have like 10 minutes left. I'm going to take a look at them. Whoa! Because I thought they smelled a little burny. I could smell them in the living room. Yeah, I read this right. It says 25 minutes. Yeah, 4 large russets cut into 1/2-inch wedges. Holy crap. Yeah, can you guys see that? So, they're done, I'm assuming. Yes. We're going to have to adjust that time. This is the first time I'm making them, obviously. Yeah. Close the lid, flip the smart switch to temperature 450 and set time to 25 minutes. I think, take these out and try to taste them. Because I was in the living room, and because it's open here. Not completely open, but there's an opening. And I was like, things are starting to smell a little bit burny. So, they're not completely horrible. Let's see if they're done in the center. Let's just take a bite. They're done. They taste like a baked potato. No, they're done. Tastes like an Old Bay baked potato. Thanks for watching, and this was almost a fail. So we're going to name the video Almost a Fail. So thanks everybody for watching, and yeah, today is recipe heavy day. And, oh, what time is it? I gotta get ready to be 2:30, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 hours till the live. So thanks everybody for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Interesting.